Hello everybody, good afternoon. Today we are here. Before we are trying how can improve English. In this time with my cousin Shourabh. Hello Shourabh, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
So we are standing in primary school field. The school is very near of my village. So he's my cousin Shourabh. We have came here for play cricket, but when I have came here for play cricket, but they didn't chance with them play cricket because their player is fulfilled. That's why they did not chance with them for play cricket. So that's why we have came here inside, and we are trying. Speaking English. Should have learn for me how can you speak English, and I will try. And I teach Shourabh how can he speak English from my level. I'm also beginner, but I'm trying. So today we are making video in front of camera, but before many time I mistake. I could not making video, and I could not say something in front of camera. I'm mistaking, more than mistaking. Already so today here weather is very beautiful. That's why I'm trying a short video, but I did not make video. I could not speak English. More and more mistake. So here for memory, I will make video. That's why it's here. First time I'm talking in front of camera. Here it's my nearby village. That's why if I here make video, it will be after 2 years, 3 years later it will be memory. That's why I'm here. I'm making a video with my cousin Shourabh. It's the first time dual video. Before I did not make video with any person. So here we cannot speak English. That's why Shourabh is feel shy. I feel shy, but I'm trying. But Shourabh also feel shy. That's why he did not speak with me. So Shourabh, please try to with me. How are you, Shourabh?
I am fine, thank you.
Okay, thank you. So which class do you study?
I am studying class 8.
Okay, you are studying class 8. So everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, take care of yourself. Last of all, I want to say, I have mistake. I have many mistakes. So don't worry for mistake. My main purpose, practicing. That's why I believe that one day I will be fluently speak English. So in this time I'm practicing time. After 3 or 4 years later, it will be memory. That's why I create my video and I upload my YouTube channel. So everyone, thank you so much watching this video. Bye.